Hey everyone, for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to disable calls on Discord. With this tutorial, you're gonna be able to finally get rid of that annoying ringtone that you're hearing every time. And also, obviously, ignore the calls as well. So, for this tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to disable notifications as well with, chats and calls. But also, I'm gonna teach you how to disable calls only, but not chats. So go ahead and go to your profile at the bottom right corner, scroll down, and then go to notifications under app settings, notifications, and now go to notifications. I'll say Discord, and then notifications, and then don't allow notifications. I mean, just, switch it off, and that's it. I'm not really sure if you can. Oh, here, integrate calls within the phone app. You're gonna want to turn that off, and now it's gonna turn off all the calls from your friends on Discord. And that's all. That's all you have to do. Once again, you're gonna want to go to your profile, scroll down, notifications. This is for muting everything, and this is for muting just the calls. And it's very simple. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Any questions? Feel free to comment down below.